Hey, what's up? What's up, my Hedera Hashgraph? Sorry for late video, but today video is going very special and very expensive, very surprising video. Yes, Hedera Hashgraph, all cryptocurrencies has go down, and the crypto market you can see here already. You can see here this time the same result. The latest you can see here, but Hedera Hashgraph, my lovely, my friendly, you can see here this time Hedera Hashgraph is going awfully and very positive result. Good chat occur and the last previous 7 days. Absolutely the result as good of Hedera Hashgraph. So what's going on, Hedera Hashgraph holder? Today video is going very special already, but I have also one good news for Hedera Hashgraph, because my favorite, my lovely Hedera Hashgraph also make me millionaire. So let's start the price prediction. But if you are new on my channel, please subscribe. Most welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Most welcome for latest. This time I updating you and the latest updates of all cryptocurrencies. So please subscribe, okay, and press bell icon for videos notification. Okay, guys. Sorry, this time I gonna show you first of all 3 charts, and then we decide to this is selling time, holding time, and what's going on. You can see here this time this is the last 27 days result, and the price last 7 days is 0.39994 US dollar is the latest price of last 7 days. You can see here the last previous 7 days change occur on 24.65 first they gone up. So congratulations, my brother. If you can see here on the chart result, they totally gone up. Some holders tell me to, I think this is selling time, but I think this is wrong if you are selling in those days. Absolutely everybody knows this is not a selling time. So please, some holder tell me on Instagram, guys. Let's come out the last 24-hour result to what's gone, and the last 24-hour result chart is absolutely very important for this decision to be sell or hold or buy. Okay friends, so let's check out. They're loading. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Guys, if you can check out this time the chain occur and 13.76% going up. So congratulations, my brother. If they're going up like this, then absolutely this they make you millionaire. They give you very good price, very good change occur, very good jumping. You can see here this time. You can see here the price going to 0.411469 US dollars. So congratulations, my brother. They're going very fastly up. Let's check out the last 1 hour charts. Okay friends, the last 1 hour charts, after watch this, then we decide to this is selling time or holding time. So please also share your opinion in the comment box and subscribe our YouTube channel, guys. This time if you can check out, sorry I'm sick, but this urgent video, so please I'm sorry. This time if you can see here the chain occur and 0.14% they're going down, so very badly result. Therefore I make this video very urgently to people, don't stop selling. Absolutely some holders start selling in this time when they gone down. Some holders start selling. So sorry, please don't sell it, hold it and wait for the end of this. I hope this time, I hope good time is coming soon. This time is gone very bad, but as soon they gone very fast and very good jump. So guys, if you can check out this time, the price is completely a decrease, 0.4 to 0.3 they come down. So my friends, wait for good time. I hope this is the mid of this month, and every cryptocurrency has gone up in those days, but I don't know why they gone down. So let's see to how what's going on in the upcoming days. But my friends, I request you, please wait for good time. I hope they make you millionaire, because Hedera Hashgraph is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. So thanks for watching. Please hold, don't, if you have any plan to buy more, then please buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this video. Wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire, they give you a good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.